Yo, YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do. Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy, Self-Conscious, and I'm back with another edition of the Table Talk Podcast. What it do, guys? Been a lot of stuff going on since the last time I dropped the video, man. Then, I try to stay active, man. Try to, enjoy the freedom, man. Do what I can do and just go from there. You feel me? But I also want to share something with y'all, man, in regards to a video that I dropped the other day about Young Thug. Just pretty much, voicing, not an opinion, but a fact based on what I'm seeing, with the man trial or whatever. You know what I'm saying? There's just a lot of stuff that's taking place with that trial from an unprofessional standpoint. And, me being, in that type of situation before Ford's in the court, facing the judge, you know what I'm saying, in the process of getting sentenced and stuff like that, man, over the course of years, man, when you sat back, when you locked up in that cell, man, and you going back and forth to the law library, you begin to study law, learn law, you know what I'm saying, because a lot of times what we fail to realize, for one, you may not never know when you might be back in a situation like that again, and two, why pay someone to represent you when you can learn this shit and represent yourself? You can do just as better than the person that you hire or pay. You know what I'm saying? And so somebody left a comment, man. Somebody left a comment on one of the videos. And dude was on some shit like, you speaking on something, but you ain't got proof and all this stuff here, man. So I'm trying to figure, I'm like, Buddy done went left field or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, why the fuck, you know what I'm saying, you would come at me on some shit like that, But, my thing is, I ain't, I'm not here for the verbal confrontation, man, for the internet beef and all of that. That's just not my style, man. That's just something that I don't partake in. I was just merely basing, my facts off of what I'm seeing. And then dude was like, well, you worrying about somebody that's probably going to, if they get out, they're going to go back and continue to do the same thing, this and that, the third. Listen, man, at the end of the day, everybody's entitled to do whatever they want to do. It's each his own, man. You know what I'm saying? It's just each his own, bottom line. My thing is this here. It doesn't matter whether a person is guilty or not. Everybody deserves a fair trial, man. I don't give a damn what the case may be, the situation. You know what I'm saying? Everybody deserves a fair trial, and I just feel like, Thug is not getting he's not getting a fair trial. The judge is being biased, disrespected the man's defense attorneys, and I mean, if y'all watching the thing like I'm watching it on Law and Crime, then y'all see the same shit that I see. You know what I'm saying? And it's just not right for that judge to be up there, you know what I'm saying, carrying on the way he carrying on, allowing the state to do whatever they want to do, say whatever they want to say, present whatever they want to see, but then as soon as the defense get up there to do their thing, objection, sustain. You know what I'm saying? It's like the judge is not giving them an opportunity, you know what I'm saying, to do anything. And I feel like it's something personal, man. I'm going to be honest with you. I feel like it's bigger than what any of us know, and I'm pretty sure it is. You know what I'm saying? Even with Buddy up on the trial, on the stand testifying, Lil Tick, from my understanding, they trying to take his plea agreement back because he pretty much went against everything that they wanted him to say. You know what I'm saying? So, but in all actuality, if he would have just stuck the cord and stayed in there with Thug them, that burden wouldn't be on his shoulders like that, man. You know what I'm saying? So, it just, like I said, man, a lot of times we out here in the streets, man, and we doing shit. We not paying attention to our circle. We not paying attention, you know what I'm saying, to the moves we make, you know what I'm saying, because, we got all this money. We able to live a glamorous lifestyle. We able to pretty much have anything that this world has to offer or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, like I said, in the spite of all of that, until a person is proven guilty or not, everybody's entitled to a fair trial. And, that's my story, and I'm going to stick to it. I'm not going to change up on any of what I'm saying because, that's reality, man. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, like I said, man, a lot of times folks don't realize, you know, what situation or what type of situation they facing until they get into it. And, you know, in spite of the fact that you could be guilty, one thing I learned about the state and the Fed, they'll still do everything they can do in their powers to find you guilty, man, just to make you kick out more money, you know what I'm saying, to fight to gain your freedom back. That's just how they operate or articulate or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, but I definitely, I'm not going to call the fella's name that responded back to the video, but I just wanted to put that out there in the air. And further and foremost, you never been in a situation like that. You know, only people that's been incarcerated and did wrongly or badly or whatever the case may be can relate to my videos. You know, if you never been there, you never experienced, you don't understand the dynamics of what people like me present. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, at the end of the day, I'm not knocking nobody. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like, you know, what I'm saying, you know, is meritless or whatever, and I mean, it is what it is. You entitled to that. You know what I'm saying? But again, I've been there and done that. And that's why it's so easy for me to be able to dissect shit that I see that's taking place with Douglas trial and being able to speak on it, because I know law and I know how the system is designed and operated, you know what I'm saying, to do people's wrongly, whether you guilty or not, you know? So, but yeah, I just wanted to check in and drop that jewel, man. Like I said, guys, you know, I'm striving to monetize my channel. I would appreciate if you guys, you know, like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on all your post notification bells, man. So when I do go live or drop a video or whatever, you know what I'm saying, y'all guys can tune in. I am able to go live, but I don't know if I'm gonna go live today, but I'm gonna go live, man. And you know, we're gonna talk about some things, man. You know, we're gonna speak on a lot of different stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? So definitely stay tuned and stay locked in for that. And you know, as always, I do appreciate the little love and the support that I'm generating. You know, I don't take any of that for granted. You know what I'm saying? So I do appreciate that. But, you know, for all my brothers been incarcerated and was able to gain your freedom back, man, stay on your pivot, bro. You know, and pay attention to your circle before they hurt you. You know what I'm saying? I just want to be a perfect reminder to y'all guys. With that being said, stay tuned, stay locked in. Y'all already know what it is. The best is yet to come. I'm out. Peace. Booyah.